Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to my automotive channel. I'm here with Batman today and he's been keeping me supervised as I've been working on the classic Fiat 500, and I think it's time to show you all the very nearly finished project. So let me just, I'm filming this on the drive, the car's not at the yard. It's the first time I've probably filmed on our drive. There's the EV, but here it is. There is my 1967 Fiat 500F. It's come back from the spray shop, Colour Catch Liquid. I'll link in the description, and it's nearing completion. I will go around the car and just show you the last things that we are finally sorting out. But yeah, look at that. So this is a red I chose. This is a proper Fiat red. It's called Passion Red. It's a fairly new red, I believe. I'm not too sure of the colour. When I was trying to pick a colour, I found this red and it's on the new electric 500e. So I thought, oh, that might look good. And I'm glad I went with this colour. It is, yeah, it's stunning. So the car has had a full restoration. Originally it was going to be a part restoration, and as you know, if you do classic cars, you find something everywhere you're working on it, you'll find something new, and before you know it, you dig yourself an old wall and you got to get yourself out of it. And I'm glad to say that's what I did, and I have got myself out of it. This is the nearly finished project, and I haven't finished the car project for some time. I think Hugo was my last project when I'd done all his new interior and everything and repairs to his engine. But yeah, this is him. Here he is. The car has a name, will be revealed in the next video on the 500, because once it's finished we are going to take it to a location, get loads of pictures and do a proper video with it, which would be really nice. So we've had new bumpers, new badge, new light covers, surrounds, these chrome surrounds, the lights are original lights, side repeaters. We kept the original bonnet, which was nice. New bumpers, a new mirror for this side. The original mirror had perished and wasn't worth saving, perished. We've had new wheels all round, got new door handles on the way, they will be fitted tomorrow. We had a new boot, because the original boot, the hinge down here is broken off with rust and everything, so we got a new boot, new rear lights, new number plate lights. That is the original hinge for the boot. Originally it was going to replace the grille, but that is the original grille, and they've done a fantastic job of sorting out for us. All the windows are original, and the rubbers holding the windows in, the seals, that's all original. We got 4 new interior, which I will unveil more when the car's complete, because it's not complete. The interior is what I'm working on at the moment, but we're getting there. Brand new roof, because the original roof it had a massive hole in over here. The bars inside had completely rotted away. It fell apart in my hands when I took it off. So we got a brand new roof on it. New sun visors, as you saw there. A new gear knob, you can just see that. New throttle pedal I had to put in. I still want to sort the fuel tank out, paint that up. But yeah, and pretty much the interior, I got to finish the door cards, but there's no point putting the door cards on until I sort the door handles out, which, like I said, that should be tomorrow. I put all brand new seat belts in it. This here, this cover for the what would be the partial shelf, I love that. That was a really nice idea. When I saw it on there, I thought, yeah. The roof's not fully fitted yet. I still got to sort out here, put this one in. I've done that side. I just need a little rubber grommet, like a wall plug, basically, just to fit, so I can fit that in properly. The roof does shut, so let's shut them up. There we go. I still got to clean the window up inside, just some primer. When I was doing some sanding on the car, I sprayed it with some primer, just give it some protection overnight, because we was meant to have some rain, and it worked, it helped. But we'll get our pictures developed and show you before and after, because there was massive rust here. So we removed all the windows, got that all sorted, treated, cut out the car. And yeah, and now this is the finished car, nearly finished. It's like 95%. We've had one problem today, and that is the starter motor decided to stay on, which is the same problem we had with Yugo. So we got to sort that, but we're used to that. New wheels, like I said, I've gone for this style of wheels where the original are right here, and you know, they don't look as good, and I always wanted to paint them cream like I did on Yugo with the chrome. It makes the car stand out so much more. So I'm gonna have a couple of days of cleaning them up, just getting some of this cleaned up, because I didn't replace these are original. That needs sticking as well. I tried to keep as many original parts as possible. In fact, one of my friends said, I think it was yesterday, sorry, that, oh, why don't I change the steering wheel? I wanted to keep the original steering wheel. I wanted to keep that. It's got a few cracks in, but it's okay, and it has to stay original. Same with the clock, the switches, all that's original. The only thing that's different in now is the cigarette case in the middle. But like I said, I'll show you more on the interior soon. We got a name for her and everything. This is a her, where Yugo was a he. But yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you like this little Fiat 500. I got more to share with you very soon, so please remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again very soon. Bye for now.